Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a channel in the ClickUp app on your phone. Whether you are new to ClickUp or just exploring its collaboration features, first, open the ClickUp app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the Create button located at the bottom center. Then, select Channel from the available options. Here you can type in the name of your new channel. If you want the channel to be private, simply toggle on the Make Private option. After that, tap on Create at the top right. Now you will be given the option to add members to the channel. You can either select members to join right away or click Skip at the top, if you prefer to add them later. Finally, tap Add at the top right and your channel will be created. Once it is ready, you can start posting, chatting, or even making calls within your new channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.